Craig, how's the NAB been for you this time?
Super busy, super busy. Lots and lots of people coming to the booth, lots of great presentations to have a look at. So there's really been three big announcements from Avid at the booth, and we could delve into the detail of that. Yeah. On the news side, towards the tail end of last year, we acquired a company called WolfTech News. What we're showing here at NAB for the first time is the integration of WolfTech News with the Media Central Cloud UX. And that really provides a really compelling end-to-end newsroom story, all the way from the ideation of a story through the creation of media, writing of stories, planning, resource management, bookings, all the way through to publication. And we're showing that here for the first time. Also related to that is we announced a partnership with another company called Cutting Room, and that's for a really advanced web editing capabilities where you could do things like DVE, you could have graphics, you could have audio keyframing as well. So we announced that partnership, and again, we're showing that here at the show. And then their final big announcement was Avid announcing a partnership with AWS. And this is really aimed at Amazon Web Services. Yep, exactly. Really aimed at post-production where you can run Media Composer and Avid Nexus storage in AWS for the first time. And you see that really as a big deal in enhancing really collaborative workflows. Because of course, with more and more people working remote, more and more people want access to talent globally. Now they can do that through AWS with the new partnership that we have. So those were the three big things, if you like, that we have here, sure.
You must have a host of products at the exhibition which you're showcasing. Tell us about the ones which are the most recent and which are actually being launched at NAB.
So Media Central and WolfTech News together. That's the first time that that's been shown publicly, and that's going to launch actually in June itself. So it's a preview that we're showing here. And really what we're showing here is taking the great collaborative capabilities of WolfTech News and putting them directly inside Media Central Cloud UX. So what we talk about there is a single pane of glass experience. So from a user perspective, I can just log on. Media Central Cloud UX is browser-based. I can access it securely from anywhere. And what I can do now is I can go in and I can plan stories, but not just stories for, say, a broadcast show, but stories for any publication platform. That could be Facebook, it could be a social channel, it could be a web CMS system, and integrating those two things together. So what we're showing here is inside Media Central Cloud UX, I can share media inside of WolfTech News. I can search anything that's in WolfTech News. I can collaborate. And also looking at integrating AI services. So in WolfTech News, I could gather together a whole bunch of information and then use some AI services to create a story for a social media platform or a video package as well. So that's one of the kind of big things that we're really showing here and showcasing for the first time.